I got this bowl, this walnut chunk. I turned it originally, rough turned it in April of this year, so it's a little over 6 months ago. I got my moisture meter and I checked it, and we are below, you see, we're below 10%, so we are ready to turn this one. Ready to finish this one up. If you look, you'll see that it is, you can see how uneven the lip is. Now that was, in April, was perfectly straight if I turned it, but now over the drying process 6 months, it's got a dip in it. It's actually longer this way as this way. So I still have the same, the foot where it's going to be attached to. I'm going to turn it like this and try and make a bowl out of it. But we should have enough meat, enough thickness here that we can get a nice round rim. But so we're going to take this uneven chunk of walnut that's been drying for 6 months. That's a little over 7%, which is fine. And finish it up, make a bowl. So this is what we're going to do. Well, here you go, all done. It's been about 2 hours, start to finish. Now I'm going to do some hand sanding. Get in here with the one piece of paper this big, sandpaper, get in my finger, just work out some of those little small spots I'm not happy with. Other than that, it turned out pretty good. Got some nice, you can pick up, you got some yellow in there, some dark variations, the different grain lines. I'm going over to the lighter sapwood. Let's see if I put it over here. Yeah. There's a light right above me. Anyway, looks pretty good. It's a pretty good size bowl. Definitely big solid for individual person. A big solid. I'm gonna soak it in boiled linseed oil and beeswax, which is a natural finish. Let it soak overnight, and put my stamp on the bottom, and then this one will be done and ready for sale. So, thanks for watching.